Power, when and where it's needed. That's an important feature for most Arctic hauler drivetrains. The operator must be able to select the drive configuration needed for the situation. The configuration for the toughest conditions is 100% differential lock, where all 6 wheels are powered and the diff locks are engaged, so the tires are not allowed to spin out. In the transverse diff lock, front axle 6x6 configuration, all wheels are powered, but the diff lock is only engaged between the front and rear and on the front axle. This increases steering ability on slippery surfaces and is sometimes required when dumping uphill or climbing out of deep ruts. Using transverse diff lock front axle is the same as the previous example, but with the diff lock engaged only on the front axle and with 6x4 power. Again, it's used for better steering on slippery ground and in difficult conditions. With 6x6, all diff locks are engaged between the axles, but not across the axles. And there is power to all wheels. This is used to climb grades and in downhill operations. And lastly, a Volvo exclusive, 6x4 with no diff locks engaged. This is the configuration for high-speed hauling, especially on reasonably good or paved roads. It minimizes tire wear in the last set of wheels because they're not driven. Tire skid wear is reduced on all wheels when cornering, and the outside tires are allowed to turn faster than the inside tires, as is required in a turn. The optional ATC system includes multiple speed sensors that are constantly checking the speed differences within Volvo's unique 6x4 and 6x6 drivetrain, and automatically selects the correct drive combination to negotiate the terrain. This leaves the operator free to concentrate on operating the machine safely and in a correct manner.